Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to download and use the Monopoly Go mod on both iOS and Android devices, safely and for free. This is my avatar speaking, not me personally. If you run into any issues, drop a comment and the real me will help you out. Let's get started. Step 1. Make sure Monopoly Go is installed. First, install the official Monopoly Go game on your device from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once it's installed, check for any updates and make sure the app is fully up to date. Step 2. Prepare your phone. Make sure your phone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. Also, make sure your battery is charged. You don't want it turning off mid-process. Step 3. Visit the mod site. Now go to your web browser and type in apptweaky.online. That's spelled apptweaky.online. Once you're on the site, search for Monopoly Go. Step 4. Generate the mod. Tap the Generate button next to the Monopoly Go mod. Enter your Monopoly Go username and choose your device platform, either iOS or Android. Then tap Continue. Step 5. Complete the required tasks. You'll be asked to complete a few quick tasks. This might include watching a short ad or finishing a level in a different game. Once you complete those, the mod will be activated and added to your Monopoly Go account. And that's it. You should now see free dice rolls or in-game cash added to your account. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.